Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about this product today. This is from the brand M2U Nyc, which has quickly become a new favorite brand for me. My neck definitely has some rashiness going on. My neck was feeling itchy, so looks like I'm having a little bit of an allergic reaction on my neck. Not sure what that's from. Trying to excuse that. But what was I saying? Yes, this brand M2U Nyc. I discovered it, I think, in Ipsy not too long ago, within the past year. And I love every single product I have tried out from this brand. They just blow me away every time. They are super affordable, cruelty-free, vegan. So this here, the Luminizer, retails for $7. I got this in the shade Futurity, but it comes in 4 different shades. It's also paraben-free. And I got this with my Ipsy points, so I pretty much got this for free. So I was so excited to see this as an option. I seriously want to try any M2U Nyc product that I can get my hands on. And so I'm going to try this out just as like a regular highlighter on my face. But what's also so fun about liquid highlighters like this is that you can mix them in with other products. So I want to try that out as well. But so first, I just took a little dollop on my finger. You know, let's do a little swatch. It's definitely a thin formula, so wow. Yeah, it blends out really nicely and really far, and what I'm excited to see is that it doesn't have shimmer sparkle in it. It has that more of a metallic glow, which is what I prefer in my highlighters because I want my skin to look extremely glowy, yet somehow natural. And if it has too much glitter sparkle, it's just not going to look natural. But this looks glowy and natural, and it looks like a good shade. So I'm going to take just a little bit that's left on my finger here and start out applying it onto the high point of my cheek. Yep, the shade looks really nice, and oh my gosh, this is blending so easily. So that's just a little bit, and it gives such a natural radiance. Like, you actually cannot even see that on the skin. The texture just disappeared, but I am left with some very pretty glow to the skin. But I was just saying that I love to have glow and a lot of it, so I'm going to pick up just a little bit more. But I want to layer this up and see how buildable it is. So this shade, it definitely has a little bit of like a beige color to it, but it does blend out easily, so it works on my skin tone. But I could see this working nicely on some darker skin tones as well. Ooh, and look at that! Buildable, yet so natural still. I'm like, did I even put anything on my face? Because the texture is just nowhere to be seen, but that glow is completely seen. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and like this dull, this so glowy and beautiful and radiant. And that is what I want. So let's get this side glowing as well. And it works really nicely and super easily, blending it out with my finger, which I have, looking in front of me right now, I have so many brushes. I mean, I even have a poster of brushes. I love makeup tools, yet when I can apply a product with my finger, that's just almost always going to be my first choice. It's just so much more convenient and super fast too. Like, oh my gosh. I'm just so blown away how it looks like it just disappears when I'm looking up close in the mirror, but then when I step back, I see so much glow and radiance to the skin, and it's buildable. You can get it to be as pretty much blinding of a highlight as you want. Oh my gosh. That's one thing that I feel like the M2U NYC products have done so well is texture of their products. Like, I have never seen such an undetectable texture for a liquid highlighter. And when it comes to highlighters, especially liquid highlighters, they can tend to really emphasize any little bumps, any nooks and crannies on the skin, any pore. Liquid highlighters tend to really emphasize, and I don't know how they did it, but this does not emphasize the texture at all. It smooths out the skin, it smooths out the pores. It's just amazing. It doesn't look like wet either, it doesn't feel wet, but it's not really matte or powdery, it's just like gone. It's like disappeared, but it isn't, because you can still see all the glow left on my skin. So I am blown away by this right now. It is a perfect face highlighter. But what I wanted to try out, actually, I'm going to try it out with one of the products I got in Ipsy this month as well, the Polar Hand Cream. I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand there, and then just squeeze in just a couple little drops. I'm just mixing it up. I'm gonna apply this. We'll just put it onto my hands. And I'm really excited to see what this looks like mixed in with lotion, because I love in the summertime to mix in some shimmer into my body lotion to get that radiant glow on any skin that I have showing. And I think I probably could have gotten away with applying a little bit more because there's definitely like glow and radiance, but this is the type where it's not gonna look too like sparkly. Like I was saying, it's more of that sheen rather than sparkle. So I don't want to waste it too much right now just on my hands, but I think you can apply as much really as you want into the lotion and it's not going to look overboard. It's not going to look like Tin Man, you know, sometimes that can happen, but no, like it just has this little extra hydrated look to it, a little extra glistening to the skin, and it looks so much more youthful and healthy when you've got that little extra highlight mixed in with the lotion. So love that. This would be a great travel highlight because then I'd have my face highlight, my body highlight, all in one. You could also use this on the eyes. It's such a great shade for everywhere. I'm so glad I love this as much, or even more, honestly, as I was hoping I would, since I was saying how much I love this brand. And this is seriously another knockout amazing product for $7. I am just so impressed by the quality of the products at these price points. I would pay double for this because it's so good. So if you have tried this or any other M2U NYC products that you would recommend, please let me know about that in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.